with all the new options for starting a business online. It can be hard to choose which one is best for you. After all, you probably want a model that 1. Pays out a high, consistent income. 2. Is low risk and low expense, if not zero. 3. Takes as little time as possible to operate. And trust me, I'm the same way. That's why I'm very excited to share with you this new Profit Summit 25th of October at 11 AM EST. On this summit, you'll discover the new online income model which will never become overly competitive because the market is constantly growing and filled with profitable niches. Save you money and make money faster because the 7 money-making methods inside are either dirt cheap or free. Be fun and easy to operate because you get paid just to talk about brands you love. So when you're ready to stop being kicked around by the competition and start paving your own path to true online freedom. Plus, when you stay till the end you'll be in the running for $1,000 of cool prizes, including iPads, Amazon gift cards, and more. Even if you can't attend, register so we can send you more info. We hope you're as excited as we are. Here's to reaching a whole new level of freedom and success in 2022 and beyond. This is a 100% free summit, so please plan ahead and tune in so you don't miss out. There might be a replay, but only for those who have registered. Just click below to grab your seat. Thanks for watching. See you on the Profit Summit.